Today we got a lot of Boo Boo and we got Crybaby. Like, we got this one, this La Boo Boo. It is so cute. Okay, so next we got this Crybaby. Like, it's together. It's like so cute. Oh, I'm also doing it. Next we got this one. I got it for my birthday. It's so nice. I love the set. So this is it. So there's I'll bring you a flower, duck you, and it has I'll give you all my love, and there's she's Alice, and it says what a frog, and it says love makes us cry. This is it, and this is the set. You guys could get it. Next we got this La Boo Boo. It's so cute. I haven't seen this one, and it's very cute. So let's see. So there is Hihi, and it says Sisi, and it says Tata, and it says Zizi, and it says Baba, and it says Cuckoo. Anyways, this is it. It's so cute. Like, it's so cute. I love it. Next, we got this one. This one's so cute. I've been seeing it viral. Like, so cool. Anyways, I've been seeing this everywhere. I love it. My friends have one. And then we got Rock On, Rereji, and Partakya, and then we tune, and then Udetu, and it says Song of Snow. I love it. Like, my friend has this one. And you guys can get any of this, and this is also a set. You guys can get it as a set if you guys want. And that is practically it for the La Boo Boo and Crybaby. Well, this is it. It's amazingly good. Then we got this. Then we got the set. This is the big one you guys could get. Very cute, very aesthetically pleasing. Then you guys could also get this one. I don't think I introduced this one. It's so cute. It says Checkmate, and you guys could get this. Also very cute. It's limited edition, so get it right now. Okay guys, it's all done. You guys could get one right now, so if you guys do, it would be so nice. And this is my other product, so get okay guys, so this is my store, and it's very nice. I love how pink it is, and it also says Mongol Victoria, and this is the logo, and it says Mongolian brand store. And literally, I'm so excited for June 1st. It's going to be the opening ceremony, so hopefully you guys could join. And there it is. Sneak peek, and love you guys. Bye.